Oops. Oh, stuff happens on the farm. It is going to be 13 days until I get this shoulder replaced. And this is the calm before the storm. And we're going to take a short walk today, and I'm going to spend the rest of the day trying to button up this whole area here because of the storm. They're expecting high winds, 60 miles an hour. That's a lot of wind. And that's when we get those. We're going to go in a minute. Setting down. The whole thing last time when it comes through this canyon, it was just like incredible. It like lifted up everything and tore everything up. And I think that happened in various places all over the country. So I just haven't been able to get to fixing any of this because of the shoulder. So I'm happy to get this thing replaced. And tomorrow I'm having my pre-op, and I'll be sharing that with you. Hopefully it won't be raining by then. Well, I'm sure it's going to be raining, but in the afternoon it's going to start really raining. And then my concern is that we're looking like at 6 inches of rain in 4 days. And this place, that kind of rain really wreaks havoc. I won't be able to get out through Duluth Road. I'll show you some videos of that when it rains hard here. So kind of isolated back here for a couple days until it's safe to cross, and then I can leave. And hopefully I don't have any appointments or anything going on during those events. So that's the only real concern I have coming forward. So if you're watching this channel now and you're seeing this thing all the time, it's because she likes being up here. She doesn't belong to me. One day she may have to go home again whenever the owners decide to keep her, I guess. But she needs to be brushed badly. Okay, that's the end of this. Let's get a little walk. She needs a walk. I need to keep the shoulder going. Actually, this trekking, the movement backwards from forwards keeps this thing moving. And yesterday, having to break up a dog fight between her and that other big bouvier, I kind of really jostled this thing out. So I had a really bad night last night, and just holding my arm like that, it's not good. So that's going to be the end of this little segment, and we're going to take off and do a little hiking. Okay, this is a test. I was editing my videos and I thought the sound would be okay when I came over here this morning to start this whole thing, and she's still here and be in this video, and I found out that the sound was horrible. So this is going to get spliced in behind the first video just to see what the sound difference is going to be by wearing this little mic with a little wind muffler thing on here. And she's happy. She's got a really nice little place to sleep in there, but I put her in at night anyway. She gets so loud with the coyotes. So this is just stuck in the video somewhere. Quit! What kind of fur is this stuff? It's like super fine, curly. No wonder you stay so warm and like to swim. Hey, I was gonna eat that. Go put that back. Hey. Go put that back. That was a good one. I was gonna eat that. Okay, I'm gonna go eat the other one you got. Let's see, a little dog slobber, 2 teeth marks. I bet you it's still good. She picks the best ones. I don't know where she gets them. They're little and they really taste good. this may be a waterfall, and this will be full if we get 6 inches of rain. After we've reached our saturation point, which we have already reached, the water is creeping into the ground, but it isn't going anywhere fast soon now. All those hills are saturated, and there is not much more that water can do but come on down those hills. They are full of igneous rock. That is old, millions of years old. It's big volcanic plumes that have just managed to be eroded down from a giant mountain range at one time, millennia ago. So what happens is that water comes down the canyon fast and furious, and it will come through here, and then it'll have a waterfall, and it continues on down and carve this whole canyon out that way. And of course, what would the video be without the otter dog doing her swim? Oh, I hear a duck in there. That's what she's after. Okay. Come on, come out. Let's go. Start leaving and she will see me. Bye. See ya. See you later. I thought so. Otter dog. And the storm is blowing in. So I think I'll end the video with that, because I'm gonna have to figure out a way to get all this stuff buttoned up so I don't blow away and find myself in the land of Oz. Thanks for watching. This is going to be my rain gauge for the upcoming storm. And right there is my internet dish, which points to a transmitting relay tower way up there on the top of that hill which points to another relay tower on another side of the hill that you can't see, which we all point to, and it sometimes takes a long time.